Hello everyone, my name is Naman Pandya. I am studying in Gnan Manjari Innovative University, SAM 2 Computer Engineering BTech, Y Class Y2 batch. Today I will sharing you what is technical communication. Technical communication is the process of sharing information about technical or complex topics like a clear and effective way. It includes writing, speaking or visual communication. Now let's talk about what is technical communication for me. Communication for me is it includes means of sharing information or ideas in a clear and accurate way so that people can understand what I am saying in proper way. Let's talk about 6 features of technical communication. First, privacy. Second, clarity. Third, simplicity. Fourth, objectivity. Fifth, technical representation. Or sixth and last, technical presentation.